Hi, I know it's like early in the morning, but I really wanted to make this video like right now because I was so overexcited, you can say. So let me just set you up at a proper location so that we can have this one-on-one conversation. I'm wearing my brother's tee. This is looking more good on me. Like, see, bro. I look. अरे भाई का टी-शर्ट पहनने में तो मजा आता है ना. I just woke up from sleep, guys. I just wore this pony and I just started talking because this is something I really genuinely want to talk with you all. It's like this heartfelt, genuine conversation because I felt that this is like the right time that I need to speak up and what would be the best platform where I can genuinely tell what transformed me. So this video is about how to get rid of acne, how I transformed my skin, my gut, overall health, mental well-being, all that aesthetic words you can add it, but in a simple sense that how I transformed my skin to acne prone, very acne prone to very less. Before anyone even starts shaming me that, oh, how can you talk about like people like that, your body shaming, your face shaming people, please babe, I dealt with acne for 5 years, okay? So I know how people deal with it, how they feel, how painful it is, how it affects your confidence, everything. I was that person, and people who met me, people who are my friends, my college mates, they saw me with acne. I'm not lying. So if I'm saying that I actually transformed my skin, I actually transformed my skin, and this is no makeup. मैं नींद से उठ के वीडियो बना रही हूँ just because my mom, she was like, Vaishali, your skin is transformed and there's no acne. I'm seeing from past few days and I feel so happy for you. Anyways, so before I start this video, I wanted to just like, share and subscribe and make sure you watch it till the end because there are really different goofy stuff which I'm going to speak about, and I don't think you can even expect me saying those stuff, especially for the acne riddance. I got my first acne in 2020. I still remember it was during COVID and I was like, ye kya ho raha hai? Because I had clear skin, okay? Clear skin, and I just passed out of 12th and I was like, what the hell? बहुत गालियाँ निकली, but years I was having back to back. मतलब it was coming on one cheek, going and coming on the next cheek, and it was happening until and unless I realized that I need to take care of my skin, that is of skincare, and certainly I have to eat good food as well. So from 2020 till 2025, I was doing my college. So college में certainly you cannot expect me to have good food every day, bro. I eat junk food. Every college student does, and it's okay. जो भी गंदा खाना मिलता है वो चीप में मिल जाता है, and you find it everywhere. So and that's tasty as well. So I didn't find healthy snacks or nutritious snacks that often. They were there. I used to consume chas as well. So but still that did not compensate of me having Hakka noodles and Manchuria like weekly thrice or something. So that did affect my body, skin and all. I realized it late, like after 2 years, but I realized it. So what happened was, initially I never did skincare, right? I never did skincare. Like what I used to do is I used to apply sunscreen because धूप की वजह से. Apart from that, I used to apply aloe vera gel as my moisturizer on my face. That's it. So many of my friends, they eat junk food like every alternate day, but still they have glass skin. Then I was in this assumption that okay, so I can consume junk food which is very tasty, but still have glass skin, and I'm like, okay, let me just blindly follow what they did. But I did not realize that their skin type is different than mine, their body type is different than mine. I was dumb. What can I do? I laugh sometimes. How can I be so stupid? I was like, avoid makeup. So I was like, I'm not using makeup anyway, so फिर भी मुझे क्यों आ रहा है? And then they were like, you know what, don't touch your skin so often, face ka, and make sure whatever you're applying on your face is like good, which is suitable for your skin, etc. I used the most expensive skincare routine, bro. Like, in between all this, you really think I did not go to a dermat? तो एक बार dermat के पास चले जाते हैं. So what he or she says, that will be helpful. And I went. So guess what happened? So we went to a lady dermat, okay, and that's when she saw my skin and she was like, blemishes हैं, uneven skin tone है, बहुत recurring acne है, etc. Dermat, that lady, she was like, inject on my face, like 3-4 injections here, 3-4 injections here, and it's not one time, by the way, huh? Like it's going to be like 7 to 8 sessions. And every time she's going to inject it, and that will actually rejuvenate your skin. And I mean, people do get it. That is also a very good procedure. I mean, I'm not denying it. It's a very good procedure. People, अगर बहुत acne हो रहा है, if that is a solution, go ahead. But I was just not ready. I was like, no, I'm not going to do this. And we tried Ayurveda as well. So when we went to Ayurveda wala person, that person pointed out this one thing which was in my brain, which is in my brain even till now. He was like, what is the point of like you taking care of your skin and trying to reduce the acne when the real problem is in your gut and in your body? तो वो तुम्हारे फेस पे एज एन इंडिकेशन दिखा रहा है. So tell me, what food do you eat? And I'm like, my dad was like, दुनिया का सारा जहाँ का जंक फूड ये खाती है, certainly वो वेज होना चाहिए. So I was like, हाँ, I somewhere agreed कि खाती तो हूँ मैं. Then he's like, stop it for at least 1-2 months. Then only you can see actual result. Then only you can understand that तुम्हें कौन सा खाना सूट हो रहा है, कौन सा नहीं हो रहा है. And then I was like, true. But उसके बाद भी मैंने रुका नहीं. I stopped for 2 weeks. Okay, I stopped. I controlled my cravings for 2 weeks. But again after that I went so uncontrollable because my parents ordered Manchuria. I mean, सब घर में खाना खा रहे हैं. How should I avoid, bro? I was just 19-year-old kid. I was a kid. He gave me few face masks and all, but still that acne was coming. It was recurring, and until 2025 November, I've just had like अब सही में बस अब मुझे ये नहीं चाहिए मेरे स्किन पे. मैं क्या करूँ ऐसा कि वो चला जाए ऑन अ परमानेंट बेसिस. दिस इज समथिंग इज गोइंग टू बी रियली डिफरेंट एंड आई गेस रियली weird, I guess. Started noticing, right? Like ऐसा क्या खाने से मेरे स्किन पे इफेक्ट हो रहा है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, whenever I consume this packaged noodles, cheese based products ना, very next day मेरे स्किन पे acne शुरू हो जाता था. And I was like, okay, so packaged noodles of any brand, cheese like pizzas, burgers, it's very like my skin inflames a lot. So I started avoiding sugars. I started avoiding milk. I love milk, bro, and dairy products as well. Like if I ever consume paneer butter masala, I never had acne. But if I consume something like mac and cheese or paneer pizza with loaded cheese, or my acne used to like bahar aa jata tha pura. So these things you have to analyze, because at the end, doctor might help you by seeing the outer condition, but you have to analyze by what kind of food you're consuming. So it depends on you, bro. You know what, enough is enough now. So I need to do something so that my skin can actually heal. I just realized that मैंने मेरे skin को वो healing period ही नहीं दिया था for the past 5 years. Like I used to avoid for 2 weeks, and the third week I used to eat it for 1 day, and again like the same cycle used to get repeated, right? So I was so desperate. I was like, my convocation was coming. The only solution that time I had was ChatGPT. Like, yeah. So I just opened ChatGPT and I was like, bro, you know what? I just typed like I'm facing acne for the past 5 years. It's recurring, etc., etc. And I showed my photographs as well of my skin, like of my face. Like I took photograph here, and I was like, bro, like look, I'm facing acne from past 5 years. You know what? I should not get any acne. I want clear skin. Okay, मैंने ऐसा मतलब बोल दिया कि मेरे को clear skin चाहिए. तो मेरे को बोल कि मैं ऐसा क्या करूँ? GPT that, you know what? Give me alternatives where I shouldn't feel that, you know what, I'm actually avoiding food. So it gave me a list, and that was really beautiful. I'm going to show you on the screen that how I dealt with acne and how my skin is now over a period of time. So I started from mid-November, I believe, like around mid-November. That was my transformational phase, you can say, like starting to transform, etc. So I told everything to ChatGPT, and I also asked for like, you know what, I need a cure for this. Then ChatGPT like legit, it told me that, dude, you cannot expect me to cure your acne within a week, which has been for 5 years. तो 5 साल का acne है, तो you have to give minimum 2-3 months of healing period to it, and then only you can like, you know, munch something, and you can have your cheat meals certainly, but you have to avoid it on most of the times. And I was like, fine. 5 साल मैंने acne के साथ किया, तो मैं 3 महीने क्यों नहीं दे सकती अपने लिए, अपने स्किन के लिए, राइट? सो दैट्स व्हेन आई वाज लाइक, फाइन, आई विल डू व्हाटएवर यू वांट टू डू. आई स्टार्टेड गिविंग मी ऑल्टरनेटिव्स. फॉर एग्जांपल, मुझे चीज़ बहुत पसंद है, तो चीज़ का क्या ऑल्टरनेटिव हो सकता है? इसका ऑल्टरनेटिव इज लाबने, ब्रो. लाबने इज अ मिडिल ईस्टर्न delicacy, you can say. It like really helped me. And so what ChatGPT told me was, every week you have to like start sending me those screenshots or photographs, you can say, of your face to check the improvement. Also suggested me that you have to change your skincare a bit. It suggested me few products which I blindly brought, and it actually helped me. By the month of January mid, my acne was like nearly to zero. एक आध इक्के दुखे थे, and those were also dried ones, which is like getting off. And no new acne, no painful acne. And the moral of the story is, bro, you live in an AI age. So अगर तुम्हें इतना problem हो रहा है, especially towards the skin, right? Take help of AI, man. First of all, suggest you that before going towards AI, please go towards a dermat. Go visit a dermat. Tell her that whatever problems you have, and then only choose AI as an option. Not even AI, not any doctor can help जब तुम्हें खुद नहीं पता कि तुम क्या खाने से इशू हो सकता है. So and after that, go visit a dermat first and then prefer AI. Again I'm quoting. फिर मत बोलना कि वैशाली ने बोला है AI चूज़ करो, डॉक्टर की ज़रूरत नहीं है. मैंने ऐसा कभी नहीं बोला है. ओके, सो people are stupid, क्या बोलो. But anyways, I gave food a chance to heal my skin and it healed it. I'm happy. If you're a college student, especially you're a hostler, right? Things will get really messy, things will get really difficult, and I can agree with you. I'm not denying that since in your hostel तो steam खाना हो या फिर whatever food you want to have it, you won't get it. Hostel का सड़ा हुआ खाना मिलेगा तुम लोग को, या फिर the alternative option is canteen. Canteen में तुम लोग को जम को टेस्टी खाना मिलेगा. And certainly हॉस्टल का सड़ा हुआ सो कॉल्ड हेल्दी खाना, वो हेल्दी भी नहीं होता, पूरा पानी होता है दाल में. उससे अच्छा पीपल प्रीफर कैंटीन का खाना कि पेट तो भरता है, पेट भरने लायक तो खाना तो बनता है. सो आई गेट इट. So if you're a hostler, I really can't help you much. What you can best do is you can go buy few veggies and fruits and make a salad and consume it at least once in a day. So that's it. This is the video. बहुत बोला मैंने, ज़्यादा ही बोल दिया. But I hope you guys are listening with patience. Is it? Meet you in the next video. Probably somewhere where even I don't know. But next video is going to be something very interesting. Until then, मैं स्किन के ग्लो अप देखो.